want to be billionaires, right? Did you know billionaires have habits and strategies that they do daily? Yes, they do. Billionaires work hard. Billionaires set boundaries. Yeah, and billionaires manage their schedules well. They know what to do when, how to do, and so on. Do you manage your schedules well? Billionaires spread positivity. They also focus on producing instead of consuming. Billionaires are students. They delegate. And above all, they network with successful people. Hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dr. Mary Mugo. God bless you.